morning students and welcome to your reasoning class. Dear students, today I am going to teach you a new lesson, chapter 9 embedded figure, given in page number 66 of your reasoning book. Here in page number 66 of your reasoning book you can see chapter 9 is embedded figure. What do you mean by embedded figure? The figures, a figure which is already containing some other figure. Suppose, for example, if I am drawing a square and a triangle, and also I am drawing a figure like this in which the triangle is already given. Here you can see that this triangle is already present in this square. This square contains this triangle. It means that the shape triangle is embedded in shape square. So such kind of figures are called as embedded figure. So today we will do such kind of question in this chapter. So let us start our chapter. In question number 1, you have to see this from question number 1 to question number 13. The questions are like that. Find the figure from the options which is exactly hidden, embedded in figure X as one of its part. So, as I have shown you that triangle is already embedded in a square. So just like that, you will have to find out that you can see that there are different shapes or images in your options. So you have to find out that which part is already embedded in this figure 1 image. Okay, so in figure X, in question number 1, in figure X, you have to find, you can see that if you will find option A, it is not embedded in the figure 1. You have to find out, is this shape, you can find this shape in this figure? No, you can see the shape is not mentioned anywhere here. So, and now you can see that the line moving from here to here is making sense. It is already embedded in this figure. So, your answer for question number 1 is option B. You have to find out the part. You have to find out the part of the figure which is already embedded in the figure 1 picture, figure 1 image, okay, as its part. In question number 2, you can see that in figure X, you have to see in figure X which of the option is already present in this bigger figure. So, let us check option A. This kind of shape you cannot see in this figure. Now let us see option B. Yes, in option B, if you will check, it is given here. So, the answer for question number 2 is option B. The part which is given in option B is embedded in question number 2. In figure X. So, your answer for question number 2 is option B. Now let us see question number 3. Figure X. This is your figure X and you have to find out the part which is already embedded in this figure, in this bigger 1 figure. So which one is present? I have already checked students, so that I can say this is very easily that this part is already present in this figure. So when you will check, you will find that option C, this shape is present in this figure. This shape is present in this figure. So option C is your answer for question number 3. Question 4. Question 4 you will do it by yourself because it is similar to question number 3. Let us see question number 5. Let us check all the options. Option A, option B, option C and option D. If you will finding your answer in option A, then no need to check the other options. Okay. So you can see this part. You cannot find this part in question number 5 figure X. Option B. You can see that this portion you will find in this figure X. So your answer for question number 5 is option B. Now let us do question number 7. Question number 6 you will do it by yourself. Question number 7. Here you can see option A. Such kind of part you will not find this part in figure X. Can you see this part in figure X? No. So let us see option number B. This part you can see easily in question number 7. So your answer for question number 7 will be option B. Similarly, you will do the other questions also. Now let us see question number 8, 9 and 10. You will do it by yourself. Now let us see question number 11. In question number 11, you can see that figure X. You can see that the part which is given in option A is not present in figure X. Figure B, part B, in option B, you will find that this part is present in figure X. So your answer will be option B. Now question number 12. You can see figure X. When you will check all these parts given in option A, B, C, D, you will find that the part given in option D is present in figure X. So your answer, here you can see that this part is given in option D. So your answer for question number 12 is option D. You will do question number 13 by yourself. Now let us see about from question number 14 to question number 20. In which of the following figures given shape is exactly embedded as one of its part? Earlier from question number 1 to 13, one figure, that is figure X, is given and 4 options are there as its part. So you have to find out the part, you have to tick or find out the part which is already embedded. But from question number 14 to 20, the part is given and you have to find out the figure in which that part is present. So in question number 14, you will see that this is an image and you have to find out in which of the figure this part is already mentioned. So you can see this part is in the form of A. It is looking like A, kind of A, not exactly A. And you can see this part in option B here. So your answer for question number 14 is option B. Now let us see question number 15. You can see that two horizontal lines This one is horizontal line and this one is horizontal line, and this one is, two vertical lines. This one is vertical lines and this one is also vertical lines, or you can say standing line, and this one is a sleeping line. You can find this part in option D. Here this is standing line, sleeping line, and then again standing line. So you can see in option D. Your answer for question number 15 is option D. Now let us see question number 16. When you will make F looks like this, children. So, but these two sleeping lines is given in this picture in the opposite side. So you have to find out this part in this figure. So in question number 16, you can see that option C is containing this picture. So option C will be your answer for question number 16. Now let's see question number 17. In question number 17, you can see that this part, you have to find out this part in this figure. So children, you can see that there is a circle and there is a sleeping line which is intersecting this circle, and you can see that a semicircle is there, and these two sleeping lines is also, two small sleeping lines is also there. So this part you can see in option A. So your answer for question number A is, for question number 17 is option A. Now you will do question number 18 and 19 by yourself. Now let us see question number 20. This part, you have to find this part in this figure. So you can see that this is a kind of trapezium, and you can see that this part is already embedded in option C in this figure in here. So for question number 20, your answer will be option C. So this is a very easy and simple chapter, children. You have to just observe the pictures, and you have to find out in which figure the part is there, or in which part is given in a picture. So you have to observe nicely that which part is given in which figure. Okay, so till question number 20, you will do it by yourself in your book. All the questions that I have left for you, you will do at your home. You will observe the figures and you will do it by yourself. I hope that you will watch this video at your home and do the rest questions in your book too. Thank you, children.